is Abhay, and let's start with the questions. So, before joining AttanU, I was working a night job in a company in the SEO department, the search engine optimization, basically. And before joining AttanU, I didn't really have any coding experience. I was just looking up on the internet like how JavaScript actually works, like how to create variables and how loop works, some sort of like that. So while I was working, and I was also looking up on the internet about JavaScript, so I got this ad on my Instagram about AttanU, and I thought like this is like too good to be true. Like they were offering was like become a full stack developer within 9 months or so, and there was no upfront fee or payment, right? Like, this is too good to be true. And so like I had my fair share of suspicions, like how could this happen, like how are they making money and stuff like that. So but all my suspicions ended when I started talking with Vaibhav, and he helped me understand like how this process is working and how they are delivering what we need. I think the consistency and discipline, like you do the same thing every day in the same time consistently, then you obviously going to be good at it, right? Like we had our assignments, we had our lectures, we had our coding challenges. We were doing those things every day, day in, day out, on the same time. So that really helped me to get in shape in terms of coding. The placement experience was somewhat affected by the COVID-19 situation, but yeah, like you cannot control that thing, so you just do, like you should not worry about that. So instead of that, like we just worked on creating more apps and applying for jobs. Yeah, like it's the same advice, like stop worrying about things you cannot control and just focus on what you can do, and that is creating more apps, more coding, and applying for more jobs, and that's it. Yeah, thanks a lot guys. Bye bye.